color deal here. Just got some emery sandpaper. Actually, I got paint in here. And normally with something like this, you might be able to use some goof off, but I had a bigger stain that I needed to get out anyway. So just a little bit of sandpaper. This one I'm using the emery cloth. It's like a wet or dry sandpaper that's often used for plumbing repairs, for sanding the copper before soldering. But it actually works pretty good for this, and it's what I had handy. So I did show this in another video, but thought I'd go ahead and show it here. It's just sanding out some larger stains. The nice thing about cultured marble is it's the same material all the way through. Of course, you want to test it on an inconspicuous spot on your particular counter and make sure that, you know, this isn't something that you necessarily want to jump in and do if it's not the same situation. So you got to use the information at your own risk. But that's how it is on mine, and this material is the same all the way through, so you can sand it. You want to follow this up with a cleaner and a polish, a seal, and a sealer. Specifically for cultured marble or granite countertops, and that's going to help prevent the stain from coming back too easy, because without that, this actually removes the finish, the protective finish on the stone, and the stone will be more prone to absorbing stains. So I'll put a link in the description below to some sealer, and yeah, but that's it for this one. It's, you know, again, it's pretty easy deal to sand out stains in the cultured marble countertop.